To chop wood with an axe, start by putting on protective gear, including work gloves, steel-toed boots, and safety glasses. Use a large, thick piece of wood, such as an old stump, as a chopping block. Set the log you want to chop upright in the chopping block, making sure it is as stable as possible. Stand facing the chopping block with your feet shoulder-width apart and grip your axe in both hands. Position your dominant hand just below the head of the axe and your non-dominant hand lower on the handle. Examine the wood you want to chop and look for a smooth, grained area that's free of knots. Ideally, try to find an area where there's already a split in the wood. While focusing on your target point on the wood, raise the axe up over your shoulder on the side of your dominant arm. You can also raise it straight up overhead. Swing the axe down on the log in a strong, fluid movement, sliding your dominant hand down the handle toward your non-dominant hand as you swing. Keep your eyes focused on the spot you want to hit as you strike it with the axe. If the wood is stubborn or knotty, you might need to hit the same spot with the axe several times to split the log completely.